In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the "Your connection isn't private" error in Microsoft Edge, step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you see this warning in Edge, it usually means the browser can't verify the website's security certificate. In many cases, the problem is on your device or network, and it can be fixed quickly. Let's start with the easiest solution. First, reload the page. Sometimes this error appears because of a temporary connection issue, and refreshing the page is enough to solve it. If that doesn't work, try opening the site in private mode. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open a new in private window, then visit the same website again. If the page loads normally, the issue is likely caused by a browser extension. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open Edge Settings, go to Privacy, Search, and Services, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Cookies and clear the data. This often fixes certificate and loading errors. Another very important step is checking your date and time. If your computer's clock is incorrect, Edge may think a website's security certificate is invalid. Go to your system date and time settings and make sure they are set automatically. If the error still appears, try disabling extensions. Turn off all extensions temporarily, especially VPNs or security-related add-ons, then reload the page to see if the problem is resolved. You should also check your antivirus or firewall. Some antivirus programs scan HTTPS traffic and can trigger this error. Temporarily disabling HTTPS or SSL scanning in your antivirus settings may fix the issue. If nothing works, restart your router or network connection. A network reset can sometimes clear certificate or DNS problems causing this warning. As a last option, if you trust the website, you can click Advanced and choose to proceed. However, only do this if you're confident the site is safe. And that's how you fix the "Your connection isn't private" error in Microsoft Edge. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.